Welcome to Learning Bloom's channel. This is the first class of cursive handwriting. For this we required a 4 lines book and a sharpened pencil. When we are writing M and T, we are doing the small mistakes. Let's see. M. When we are writing, sometime we used to write like this or T in this way. But M, this is a correct way of writing M and this is the correct way of writing T. See, here the gaps between these two lines is more, and even here also the gap is more. So it's look too ugly. If you compare these two, this one is looks so beautiful. If you maintain this one, if you want to reduce the gap between here and here, we have to practice some patterns. Let's see that patterns. This is the first pattern. We have to start from here. Make a little curve and come down. Go up, little curve. Go up, little curve, come down. You have to start practicing this pattern without lifting your pencil, and don't give more gap between two lines. If you start practicing this pattern, I am sure you are able to write at least 4 to 5 cursive writings. You can write 4 to 5 letters in a cursive. You have to practice this pattern at least 4 to 5 lines. Okay, look at this. Here the gaps are less. Then one more pattern we have to write. That is the reverse of this. You have to start from down, go up, curve, up, make a curve, go up, come down, make a curve, go up. In the same way, you have to practice without lifting pencil, and don't give too much of gaps. Practice this pattern at least for 5 to 10 lines. This is a very easy pattern. This is not too much difficult to write down. You can just enjoy and writing. Practice it. Let's practice with me. If you like this, don't forget to subscribe.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate